Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Today I'll be showing you a very short video demonstration on how to add membership on your Wix site. So how to add a members area and allow for people to create private accounts for your website and log into it to gain access to specific pages. So I'm just going to use a template for today's demonstration, and it's quite simple and straightforward. What you need to do is navigate to the Add Element button in the top left hand corner on the website editor page. Right here, the little plus symbol. And then if you navigate down almost to the bottom of the list, the last but one is the Community tab. Once you click that, then you'll see that Members is selected by default. So at the very top of this list here, the Members, and then as it explains here, it'll give each member a private account that logs into your website, and then you can make members-only pages, give customers faster checkouts, and build a community. So whatever need you have for that, when you click Add to Site, that'll then take a few minutes to add the members area to your site. So there's a couple of functions that it needs to build in, and as you can see, behind the dialog box, there's many pages being created now that will be automatically added into our site. To view those pages now, if you go to the Pages and Menu button here on the left hand side, so there's two underneath the Add Elements button, and then you've got these member pages here. So as opposed to viewing your site menu here on the first little tab here, if you select Members Pages, you'll see by default which ones have been added. So you've got a My Account page, and if you give that a forum comments page, forum posts, profile, followers, notification settings, and so forth. If you want to see those pages, you can just give them a single left click and they'll display in the editor here, and you can modify them as you see fit. So for example, if I click the My Account page, you'll see what that looks like to an end user. You can access the settings for that page just as you would any other page on the right hand side here with these three little dots, and there. Obviously there's because it's a members only page, it's default to set as a private page then, okay? And then the permissions, you can dictate whether it's all members or only selected members or paying customers that gain access to those pages as well. As you can see, if I minimize that now and give you a quick look what that looks like to an end user, it takes a second. The members area is quite robust, there's a lot of stuff going on there, so it does take a second to kind of add it to your site, but as you can see, that's what it would look like then, okay? So you'd have a login page there for your end user to log in, and then all of these pages that you just saw in the Pages menu are kind of added here as a sub menu. And that concludes our video tutorial. If you want to get traffic and sales to your website for free, then be sure to click the link in the description below. I've dropped a link where you can get unlimited free Google Ads to drive traffic and sales to your website. It's 100% free and very easy to do. It's also completely legal for those of you who might be wondering. So if you need free traffic and sales to your website, claim your free ads down below. If you like this kind of content and you want to see more, give us a subscribe and like the video. And if you've got any ideas for future videos, leave them as a comment below as well. Thank you very much.